Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, these are LEDs. And in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make a LED driver. What is LED driver? Each LED needs a LED driver. LED driver limits the current that flows into the LED chip. For example, if you take one of these 3 watts LED and hook up on the 3.3 volts, and the temperature of the LED will rise and will pull more current. We need to stop that and prevent the LED from burning. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a simple LED driver using LM317 integrated circuit. This is the guy. And let's start. Here it is, the circuit diagram. You will need a LED, you need one resistor and one voltage regulator LM317 that will act like a current limiter. 3 stuff. On LM317, pin 1 is adjust. You need to solder the resistor going from pin number 1 to pin number 2. Also on this pin number 1 will be output for the LED, and on other side will be on ground, and pin number 3 from the LM317 will be voltage in. How to calculate the resistor for your desired current? Here it is, the formula. I'm gonna solder the resistor, and you have wonder why I'm using 4 resistors connected in parallel. Each resistor is 8 ohms but connected in parallel. 4 of them I will get 2 ohms, and this will be a 1 watt resistor made out of 4 resistors. Let's solder this. Alright. And here it is, the resistor on the circuit diagram connected between pin number 1 and pin number 2, and this one will be output for the LED. On pin number 3 of the regulator I will connect voltage in, and here will be the LED with ground. That's it. Let's test it. Here it is, the current limiter or current regulator using LM317. The LED panel, we have a positive wire, negative wire. The power supply is set on 10 volts. If this doesn't work, the panel will blow or will burn the LEDs. Connecting the negative, connecting the positive. Voila! 600 milliamperes. The LED driver is working great. Okay, that was all for today's video on how you can make a LED driver with current regulation. Thank you for watching. Please share the video and subscribe to my channel. See ya!